So we're here at an abandoned school somewhere in Ohio. It's a nice, cloudy day for an explorer. Let's check it out. This whole floor has collapsed. You can see what's left of that wall is swaying in the wind. Looks like we're not going any further, but I like how that brick is arched at the top. The whole front entrance is collapsed. It is really deteriorated. That used to be a section of windows, but it's all gone and caved in. This floor is just a little sketchy. That was a joke. It's really sketchy. Wow. Totally trashed. I don't know if those were added and there were no windows, or if those were the frames for the windows. We found something that still works. These beams are all bowing and some are even broken and falling. Can't believe this wood closet is still here. You can see all the way down. This is the best view. At least so far. We met some other people here. Saw a car, figured we'd stop off and say hello. They're pretty cool. Look, you've still got that window up top. You want to shout out your Instagram? No Instagram? Man. The whole exterior wall is falling. You can see the lights are still hanging from years ago. Wow. Look at this gym and auditorium. It's still got A net. Okay, no net. It's got a backboard and a hoop. Net is long gone. You can still see where the curtain hung. There's still parts of it up there. That's pure madness. Look how many people have tagged this place over the years. The roof is totally gone. This is really a peaceful place. Time to make my debut on stage. Everything is swaying in the wind. Get the ivy coming in. It's pretty peaceful. It couldn't be in worse condition. I mean, I guess it could be collapsed. That would be worse condition. This is one creepy hallway. This must be where they stored things that they didn't want the kids to get to. That is one grumpy boiler. Not sure what this room was used for. Classroom, maybe. You got any more couches? Nope. Long hallway. So I think it's that time to get out of here. If you guys like this video, don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell for notifications, and as always, be safe out there. Somebody came here and ate Popeye's chicken. I mean, I can't think of a bad place to eat Popeye's chicken.